Hello class and welcome to week 4 of ACLT 053. For this week in ACLT 053, we will be working out of the Health Learning module. After you do the work in English 101 near the end of the week, as per our custom, you will be doing some reflections on what you've worked on in English 101, and you'll be posting them to the ACLT 053 discussion board and also the blog. We'll start first with the ACLT 053 discussion for this week. For this week, you will be reflecting on the readings you've done in English 101 on health and food and the impact of the food system, the U.S. food system, on our health. I would like you to craft a 2 to 3 paragraph writing based upon your reflections, based upon the questions above in the discussion board for Health Discussion Board 1. How do you connect with the ideas? How do you extend your thinking? What challenges or questions do you have after the reading? After doing that, you will be required to respond to at least 2 other students' posts. You can build on something they've said, you can explain something, you can ask a probing question, anything that really directs the learning a little bit further. And so that is based upon the readings that you do in English 101, the common reading. Also, you will have to do a blog at the end of the week. This is the Health Week 1 Reading and Writing blog. And it is very similar to what you've done in the Tech Learning module. You're going to talk about what you used to think, what you now think. You're going to connect to what you've learned, and you will be writing again 2 to 3 paragraphs, and you will be responding to 2 other peers' blog. And that's it for this week in ACLT 053. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you.